I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We find the bangers daily. We've been killing it in the trading group. This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. Obviously, Bitcoin's had a nice move to the upside. So this key resistance level, a lot of buyers are going to jump in. We're going to look at the 200 simple moving average on some setups and ideas just to show you how price action reacts to it. But this at this point is the ceiling for Bitcoin. So again, the bulls need to flip this in order to see a run up here to about 28,000. Amazing Monday morning. So we had some significant upside since the last video. So this is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And what's happening here is you've got, technically this is a bear flag, but I'm not trying to predict this idea. If there's a breakout retest, I'm looking for a big move higher because it's a bearish pattern. If it goes against the technical analysis percentages, very bullish. Okay, if you get some type of bull trap in here, you see a move towards the bottom trend line. Okay, so if then statement, I've got to get you guys buying support with us, because when you're buying the bounces at the lower trend line, it's so much easier to make a ton of money in this market. And so we're going to work on that going forward. This is the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. The reason why we buy these moves to the downside is because we get these bear traps. And this setup right here was posted in the trading group to buy the breakout. So right here was the setup, and the idea was long the bounce, short the breakdown, right? Decision time. What happened? Bounce, open longs. You had a huge run up by Bitcoin right here. This is a 2-hour chart. Again, after the bullish retest, the entry, you had 15%. I mean, what does this mean? Altcoins did a lot. The altcoins killed it. Ethereum setup I gave you is on fire right now. I told you about the news hype that was coming. Coin doing things now. Most important thing is pay attention how the price action acts up here. On a bull trap, you short it, right? This thing breaks to the downside. On a bullish retest, long, altcoins take off, life-changing money, everything's euphoric. Then at the last minute, retail, new money starts to FOMO into this stuff and potentially takes some losses. You know, they always buy the top, but I mean, there's some upside potential here. Maybe a move to 28,000, but you need the bulls to finish this move. However, if you're waiting to buy up here at the breakout, we're going to get you to a point where you start seeing these bear traps, and you're going to make a lot more money because you're going to catch all these moves in the middle. Okay, that's where you'll change your life forever quickly. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, you helped me generate 6 figures. Now, do you know if I'm allowed to transfer that amount? It's crazy when you see people go from next to nothing to over $100,000, and then it becomes nerve-wracking when you're moving $100,000, $200,000 in crypto. That transaction time takes forever, but I helped them generate 6 figures, banging. So many people coming back and joining the group that have been in the group before, because obviously we're making a ton of money. His portfolio 4x in a month since he rejoined the group. This person turned $4,000 into over $13,000. Bang. And this person joined the group 10 days ago, up $35,000. Listen, you start, and these is over the last few days. 95, 49, 31, 71, 53, 76, 90, 125, 85, 65. It's real easy to double, triple, quadruple your money when you just keep rolling over into bangers. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Got to be in the right coins. I can help you. Ethereum Classic. Okay, I posted this in group. Things are different. Ethereum Classic is up 54% now. Let's change this. 54 Ethereum Classic. Obviously, there's Ethereum hype. Look at all this volume. The volume tells you, the market freaking pumping these coins like crazy. Based on this idea and the dollar index pulling back, we've seen significant upside. The problem is right now, based on these ideas and the dollar is pulling back. The dollar's getting weaker. So that's good for stocks, good for Bitcoin. This needs to continue down to this lower trend line for Bitcoin upside to continue. But understand that all these are parts of the equation, pieces of the puzzle that you have to understand. This is total. This is the total market cap of all of crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything. All the altcoins. And so you have a bullish triangle here. And what I want you guys to focus in on is these, see these 2, 4, 6. It's a lot easier to buy the bottom of the trend line. Top, these breakouts don't break out most of the time. When they do, I mean, so you would have caught this move. So I want to get you guys buying the bear traps down here at the bottom. And then you make the entire swing. After you get a couple pivots in a pattern, like you have your highest success rates trading, and you just have to be in the right setups. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to help you every day. This is Ethereum. So the other day on the 15th, I told you that, hey, Ethereum just needs this bullish retest. They've got all this news, this shadow fork's coming. It's moving to proof of stake on September the 19th. All this is happening. Ethereum's going to see some upside. Banging. 20% out of Ethereum over the last couple of days. I mean, for a large cap, this is some significant upside, right? Now, these small caps on Kucoin, like you're getting 20% instant pumps, right? It's crazy. But large caps, hey, you're still getting some solid gains as well. Now it's decision time. This is the ES1. This is S&P 500 index, E-mini futures, right? And you've had a high, low, lower high. This is basically a double bottom, right? Now you're up here at this resistance level. So the bulls need to flip this for more upside. This pattern breaks out. You look for significant upside out of stocks and crypto. But we've traded this bounce successfully, and we've made a ton of money just on this one idea. Banging. So take all the ideas that we talk about and combine them, and you'll find yourself with a strategy that has an insane win rate. You've got to take advantage of all the opportunities in this market right now. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.